Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are y'all doing? Happy Thursday. I'm just taking a little video update from the East Coast. It is snowing again. And look at this pretty Christmas tree. How in the bottom it looks like this. And then it branches out to like that. Which I still don't get it. Because it looks like a spruce plant on the top and the Christmas tree on the bottom. Anyway, yeah, a little update from me. It's snowing again, and I heard, look how much snow we got already. I think we're expecting like 8 to 10 inches, 12 inches. And we had already 2 blizzards on the East Coast. This would be our 3rd snowstorm. Anyway, people, just a little update from me. Hope you're doing fine and staying safe. Keeping your mask on in the public. And pray for me that it doesn't get so much colder and too much snow here. I can't wait for spring. I love spring. I love the flowers. But anyway, I love the snow too. Alright people, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam.